So the strategy that I'll be using today is successful in 95% of the cases. So if you want to become successful in trading, you have to watch this video. So I just went with the call option on US dollar and Canadian dollar trade. So let's see why. So we used to have a downtrend, but from over the zone, we're seeing the impulsive movement of the price up. And over here, we're having just the small level of support that price has touched already 2 times and about to touch it the 3rd time in over the zone. So I went with 2-minute time expiration for this deal because every time that the price has touched the zone, it went towards our resistance zone for about 2 minutes. And so we just had another profitable deal on US dollar in the Canadian dollar trade. Guys, you see, nothing really hard as long as you know how to draw your level of support correctly. So I just went with the put option on Australian dollar in the US dollar trade. So let's go ahead and see why. So we're having some consolidation on this trading here. But what I did notice is that we have really good levels over here. So that would be our level of resistance right here, and also we're having our support zone, which is over here. And if you do remember, I did tell you that sometimes we do have levels in between our support and resistance zones, which is also we have over here. The price has touched them like already for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So that is a pretty good level. And if we look closer, guys, so how to pick your expiration time for your deal. So you look, so right here we have the resistance zone, right? Each time, whenever the price hits our resistance zone and it's started going back towards our support zone, how much minutes did it take before any type of correction started, right? And so for this zone, it's 1 to 3 minutes. Okay, let's see this one. It's 4 minutes. So you see those 4 red candles. 2 minutes, 3, and then we had the small correction, but then we had really impulsive red candle. So, and for this one, for like that later last time before our deal, we had really impulsive red candles that lasted for 4 minutes. So I picked the number in between. So I picked for myself 4-minute expiration time because the correction may start, but the price, you look closer each time it went to at least our level in between. So the 4-minute expiration time is perfect for this deal. I prepared $5 for this deal. The income is 81%. But in case we're gonna have an unprofitable deal, like maybe something will happen, we are gonna double our deposit for my next deal so that our money management is great. Okay, we're having just 20-40 seconds left to the end of the deal. I'm curious just as you are. Okay, let's count together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautifully done. So we had a payout of $4. This is a great result. So let's move on to the next trading here. So this is the Canadian dollar in this way spring trade. Let's go ahead and open another deal for 3-minute expiration time. So overall, we're having the uptrend. So it is better to always go with a call option whenever you have the overall uptrend. And over here, the price kind of hitting some consolidation, going back and forth, but we don't really have like the perfect resistance level, but we do have a really good support level over here. So we picked the rectangle, sorry guys, in our drawing tools, and over here, this is our lowest point. If I move it closer, you see the price just touched our support zone with the red candle, and after that I entered my deal. Why did I go for 3-minute expiration time? Like one more time, guys, you analyze whenever the price hit your support level, how much time did it take for the price to go against that level. And so as of that deal, I mean, we have just 1.5 minutes left, and if that deal is going to be an unprofitable one, we're going to open another deal on the same trading period. Just we're going to double our deposit for that next deal. The income on this trading period is 78%, which is great because we do great. The trading peers that have income more than 75. I'm curious to see yours, so let's wait a bit more together and see what happens. So yeah, guys, that was needed because our deal closed and it was an unprofitable one. So that means that I had a bad entry point because the price actually went even further into our support zone. So I opened another deal. I prepared $10 for this deal. So let's hope this deal is going to be a profitable one. But also the thing is, I changed my expiration time for 2 minutes. So waiting. So this hack-in deal on this same trading pair is profitable, so this is great. So you see, guys, sometimes you may have a bad entry point, but don't worry, you can open another deal and have a better entry point. But be sure that you double your deposit for your next deal, because this is again money management, and if you want to have the income, you have to double that deposit. So let's move next to the next deal. So friends, actually I looked at the different currency trading pairs and I didn't find any of the situations that I really like, and in case I don't want to lose money, I'm just gonna stop trading as of right now. But there's gonna be more videos of me trading, so you better subscribe to my channel and see you there.